Another 2-box break of limited. Your checklist handy, just in case. Alright, Eric Carlson base, Trevor Linden base, Kerry Littman, that looks like maybe 49. Kerry Littman gold to 10. Let's see if we can get a good shot of that. Kerry Littman to 10. And the trios. Sedin, Thornton, and Brad Richards. It's a Dallas Stars box, $199. Colton Orr of Toronto. Mark Oliver, $299. $299, and neat looking patch, or prime, I guess. Jason Spezza. See if I can get a shot at it sticking over the card. It's a seam. That is 23.25. Spezza collectors out there.
Yep, I've sold a bunch of stuff.
And Colton Orr and Wayne Simmons base. Interesting box. Got the card letting into 10. I'm gonna trade that.
No Jamie Benn.
Yeah, Ben's not in this product, but I could probably trade that for a Ben that I don't have. All right, checklist handy. And no redemptions in that box.
That's a first almost.
This one's a little bit thinner. And this will have a auto in it. Besides a rookie. All right. Base, we got Filatov, Ivan Corner, Daryl Sittler. What's that? $299. So I got 3 base on top.
Yep.
Normally you get a $199 on top. All right.
Maybe it's a special.
Well, it should be. I'd be disappointed if I didn't get a. Craig Anderson. No, it's not a special box. I got a Jamie McBain. Maybe that's the 10. No, $299. Thomas Vokoun auto to 50 or 25 to 50. Thomas Vokoun to 50. And another base.
I'd classify that as a dog box.
That's not a very good box.